Yeah, I think I reached the place already. The AZ by level. I think this one. I think the Gundam. I think the Gundam store is from Thailand one. I think they franchise from Thailand to Singapore or what? They are at level 3. Yeah. So level 3 you need to go there. And this one's the map. I think they are here. Yeah, I think the Gundam store is here. I think they come from Thailand one. The name is VCA Gundam. So yeah. Yeah, I think I'm going in to the store. Let's go. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Hey, we got it. Hey, can I meet you? 應該是我個人嘅store，其實真係呢班細真係哇，真係邊？Let's slowly show you guys the store. I think it's just RX. No, I think it's just the cosmic era of it. Okay, with the corner Gundam. Yeah, I think quite big the store here. I think it's VCA Thailand. But no one is. I think they come to Singapore again. So. They got the whole. Oh, nice here. Yeah, I think I'm looking for some double O series. Oh, they got one. Oh, they got some. I think it's just the official. I think they're getting one of the Gundam. I think it's Serabi. No, Serabi. I think this song is from the Thailand one, but I don't know. I think they franchise into Singapore. I show you the glass display. Yeah, I'm looking for my Gundam laser. It should be around here. Yeah, between light showing to build my Gundam. Okay, it's just the glass cabinet. Then the lower rack. Yeah, I think it's going to rain soon. 这是的 China Gundam。哎，这个 Master Grade feeder effect。
Low battery. Please charge.
Show you guys here. Gundam wing， 这个 Gundam wing 在后，那个动画部位。 for sorry. Make an extra. Make a one extra. I think they got this one. But they got a lot of the recall. Yeah. Oh, this was so good.
Low battery. Please charge.
I bet the guy, the picture. Wait, I think it's 1/40. Yeah. You got all the Bandai stuff on here. Yeah, I think I show you this ring. The left Pokemon as well. Big special. Anyway, special one. Yeah, so I saw this on I think the glass display is here.
Low battery. Please charge.
They got the one that I wanted. Oh, yeah, I think I buy it. Glass display. Yeah, I think hopefully they got American Express, so it looks like going to win. Oh no, I think it's the glass. Okay, next. Yeah, I think this one's the SD Gundam. Malaysia is at 890, so it's the same price as here. So actually you all can come here and buy it. Yeah. Because I went to JB and buy is $8, man. The unicorn, yeah.
Low battery. Please charge.
The other sets one. So now the SD, I never saw this. So I think it's big one. Oh, this one. I think I have it. I'm looking for the industry. I see. Don't think anything on. The one is the JB one is I think real great. Another glass cabinet here. Yeah, I need to find one more. I think the
Low battery. Please charge.
The double O one, I can't remember. I think it should be around here. Because the online says got stock, so yeah, come here. Hey, got real great. The unicorn. This one's the transformable, I think. Hey, strike feeder. Mighty strike feeder, I have it here. Okay, Mighty strike feeder. Yeah, so Ice Freedom no HCI. Okay. I'm looking for the double O series. So
Low battery. Please charge.
The fat Gundam. So It should be around here. It should be around here. It got the high grade.
Low battery. Please charge.
Yeah, still looking for my. Yeah, stop here. Then after that, I come back later. Yeah, I think I show you guys the knife. Yeah, I think you get this one. This one is like, I think it's quite small, but they sell. I think the nipple got sell like this size one. I think it's pink. Yeah, I think it's just the base. Yeah, I think I got one bigger. I think 21 years already, but I think the wing spoiled already. Okay, buy one set. This one. These are all the painting, spray paint. Yeah, I'll be getting this one. Yeah, I'll be getting this one. Yeah, I'll be getting this. But I think the other one is still need to pre-order it.
Low battery. Please charge.
Yeah, I think the opening hours is 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. Yeah, I think I bought this one. But they don't have the. Yeah, I think they don't. I'm looking for the Serabi. I think they don't have it. So yeah, so I think I'll be going back now. And I think I bought this one. So yeah, I think that's all.